Hi everyone. This has been an incredible course. And with that being said, we are going to celebrate now the progress that has been made throughout the course. Everything that you've shared and learned and gained, had those very vivid conversations. This is a time to really look back and reflect on the experience. So what we're doing here is we're actually ending, so to speak, where we started. So we're going back to our very original forum and the quotes that you chose, and we developed the Wordle for your cohort. So this is your Wordle. So now's the time to take a look back and think about where we started and how far we've progressed over the last 8 weeks. So just take a minute to kind of examine this Wordle and know that this is the conglomeration of all of your quotes. And something else to think about as we're looking at this particular Wordle and thinking about your choice as far as the quote, would you choose a different quote at this point? And you may not, or you may. So just kind of think about those things as we're moving forward. I've had the true pleasure of reading several synthesis papers so far, and it's today is the due date. Excuse me. So you're very enthused, and I'm able to see the really complex thought that you've devoted to your synthesis and developing your vision, mission, and value statement. So we're really looking for that very complex thinking that you analyzed and reflected on the course and use that in the context of your own moral makeup. So as you move forward in the program, what I suggest is keeping your vision, mission, and value statement in a very obvious place for you. And it's a wonderful opportunity to not only reflect on what you've already written, but also think about how your experience through the DNP program may influence your statements as well. And we will revisit your statements in the program. So this is sort of a living, breathing process, and things may evolve or change as you progress through the program. So kind of keep that in mind. And again, the vision, mission, and value statement really serves as an opportunity for you to have sort of a guidepost. And I think this is very important because we really sometimes need an opportunity to reset and refresh in the midst of some of the chaos that one must function in within healthcare. So it's just a very tangible reminder of what you're made of. And it doesn't change what you're made of, but it helps us to have something put in writing to really have something that we can look at and reflect on. It also provides an opportunity to really communicate with those that you serve, to really let them fully understand your leadership and really the authentic portions of you as an authentic leader, as an ethical leader. And with that being said, being able to articulate relatively abstract thoughts, feelings, and complexities, it really helps to communicate that with those that you serve. So again, that helps them with their own ethical role development. So kind of keep that in mind. It's much like nursing theories. We know what nursing is, but when we can put words and articulate those particular theories, sometimes they start to make sense. So again, this is an opportunity to put words, the ability to communicate your ethical practice to others, which in turn helps others to develop their ethical practice as well, because you all are mentors and are supporting future nurses. So with that being said, let's take a quick look at our final forum. Okay, here we are in our final forum. If you would kindly post your initial post by October the 14th, we will have our final forum discussion, and it centers on your vision and mission statements and really reflecting on what you've learned throughout to create those vision, mission, and values. So, and looking forward how that process will impact you in the future. And then we're also taking a look at the components of the module. So you have choices and you need to actually respond to one of those questions. And also, if you would just kindly, if there's anything in particular you want to leave as a takeaway from the course, that's very helpful to me, so I know what's really valuable and important to you. I greatly appreciate the opportunity to share the course with you, and I want to make sure that I provide the best possible experience for students, and you actually help me to make the courses better for the future cohorts of DNP students. So I just want to say that this has been an incredible pleasure to share this course with such a robust cohort of students, and I just can't wait to work with you again. And really, I get the opportunity to have some coursework with you next year, and it's really fun for me to be able to see how you all are evolving throughout the DNP program. So if in the meantime, if you need absolutely anything from me, please let me know, and I wish you the very best as you move forward. Take care all. Bye-bye.